Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Hakar po adre uyayong arajar posan kecilongan traffic police haringkat kajangan terelang bak National Health Mission la penlong ke program ajing smart ai ke dongnya kali bak kumjuru ik pulit ke betre ya kam jongki hasurok bak penlong ya kini ke road safety and medical awareness program hakin dailan Kedan bon ke dongnya kali bak kumjuru ki pulit ke belawan benda ik medical check up bak klam jingsiu bak layo airu ya ke dawai kat kum ke jitom jongki Superintendent of Police Jangka Traffic UK Prasad Rayat ho ba kani ke kesian ke baar bagi Shillong Traffic Police ke penlong yakum kani ke program berulong bakadaw bakile ya kani kini namar bagi deki pulit bagi dongnya kali ke betre kam hasurok ke syakta nagajing sawa bagi jing QQ kau lari ke noise pollution bagi wepat ke jingpang namar bagi kam jongki kalong ke bete hadu kata-kata
The medical health camp, basically it is being conducted for the drivers and the policemen. The objective of this medical camp is that both the drivers and the policemen are on the duty. They have to face many challenges in terms of sound and noise pollution, whereas the driver also they are suffering from the different ailments. Maybe we can say that the hypertension, then after that the neurological disorders, cardiovascular problems. So all these problems which may affect the health of the drivers as well as the police personnel also who are on the duty. So therefore, what we have planned that in coordination with the DMNHO office, as you could see that all the department officers who are available here and all the peoples, that is all walks of the peoples, even the drivers, the policemen and the general public, they are availing the service. This is a good sign. Our motto is to remain fit so that we can perform better in the field.
So this is the first time for the police department of Meghalaya to organize?
No, this is the second time. Last year we have also organized. We had organized the similar types of the programs, but that was only for the eye checkups that we have already conducted, that we have organized in collaboration with the Bansara Eye Clinic. But this time we have done in general that you could see that there are 7 to 8 specialists are there, whereas the X-ray, the deafness and all sort of the treatments are available here. So I would request that all the publics outside that publics they are participating in a large numbers. The drivers also they are taking the interest. So this is a good sign, I would say.
I would like to introduce myself. I'm Dr. S. Malanya. I'm the Nodal Officer from the National Program for Control and Prevention of the Deafness. And we are here today as an invitation from the Superintendent of the Police Traffic, East Khasi Hills, as they're conducting this medical camp and awareness. And as such, from our department, we came from Civil Hospital Shillong for screening of hearing loss, hearing impairment. Any patient or anybody having any decrease in hearing loss or having any difficulty in hearing or any ringing sensation in the ear, they can come here and avail the screening program that we are conducting today for any case of prevention of hearing loss and for detecting any early stage of hearing loss. So anyone having any problem, they can come here and we are conducting this medical camp as a free of cost, and any Any they can come again for the review also in Civil Hospital Shillong for the PTA that's situated audiometry and for the screening test for theory. So kami nak kementar ke Department jong ke traffic police ha kabaki invite ini mo bengin ni simbenta ngisno ba kakot ke kia kare ke benongkong kare ke spaba an kibabun dong hagajing bun kam ting ting ni kletan ayu ban sumari lade an kajing wan jungi ida ka bum kane kapani ba ki department ki long concern ya ka jingko jingkia jong ki staff ki jongi bengin ayu bengin sumari ki an ngasungo kumanong no ya ka department ni ba ni ya ka pani ya ka concern bagi don na kabanta ki staff ki jongki an kani ngai ba da ka jing don dong ka jing rawan ra jongki kam dei tang ya ki staff ki jongki hendrai ba ya ki driver mo ki ba don be on road maybe ka ru kumanong no rada kam dei atu sauru ni la belong pra harus ko pinta ki don ki ka department ka pani ba ki lo concern om tang ki staff hendrai ba ya ki public ru ki balong kumanong no kabanta ka baki ki shakri kidawai ngidon ban ayaki free of cost naga department jong ka ayush ani shaidon rukum kini ki cam o ha kini ki por baladep na nor bangi don abo civil hospital ni shaidle chaki CHC ban pelong ya ki awareness program an ka government karong concern de ki rural population ru ha ka bakin avail ya kini ki scheme an kini kidawai ka bangi ay mentande ka de ka bangi support naga national ayush mission so ki pembiang ni an ni ay free of cost ni it's not true about ka treatment ni ka jing sumahi ka dai banlong integrated ti nakabanta ki bakam jor la ki emergency ni refer ki chaki higher institution shiki alopathic andre ki ni padai ki balong no ki kum ki chronic kum ki NCD kum ki BP ki diabetes ki badai long term treatment dai ki la ban shim de ki ki don ki duna ka jing kita ki side effect no kam don jing ta ai lada kam pan khia ya tu ka jing pang ka ba pi don ru ka met hi ka bread iki shabat and then kanam ta ya ki way pat ki department